Hello, my juicy jelly beans. I've been watching a YouTuber called Resin As You Wish, and she does some fantastic galaxies. Unfortunately, she doesn't post anymore, so I thought I'd try something similar, giving it my own little twist. Nowhere as good as hers, but it's all about having fun and trying something new and different. I have 3 different size coasters, which I'll be doing today. I will leave all the products used today in the description box along with discount codes. For resin, I'm going to be using one of my favorites, Art Line Crystal. It's a 2-to-1 by weight. It's like water, and I can barely smell it. We're going to need some disposable cups to mix colors, and I found on Amazon this little pack of metallic acrylics. The pack brings 6 colors. There's a purple, an aqua, a blue, green, yellow, and a magenta. I also got 2 individual tubes in the colours metallic orange and red. I want to use acrylics, but you can use any type of product. I'm going to use these 4 colours and also Jacquard Halo Gold Violet. They're metallic gold. I might use the Halo Blue Gold too. Resin is ready and I'm going to use a black paste in black, as we want the background to be jet black. Make sure to always give your paste a good stir. As pastes are highly pigmented, you don't need much. Add a small amount into your resin and mix it in really well, so to avoid getting streaks. We want it to be pretty opaque. Once you're ready, pour the resin onto your mold. We only want a thin layer as we will be doing various layers. Leave it to cure for about an hour to 2. No heat mat or curing machines, as we want the resin to thicken up a bit so that we can add some glitter. I've left this to warm up quite a bit. We now want to add some holographic glitter in silver to give us the effect of stars. We really only want to sprinkle the smallest amount. I'm not even going to open it. Instead, I'm going to just twist the cap as if it's a pepper shaker and let the glitter sprinkle over the pieces. This will avoid dropping too much glitter. Once you're happy with the amount, let it cure completely. For this next step, I'm going to be using Art Line Honey. It's also a 2-to-1 resin. Honey is thicker than crystal, and it's perfect for effects or doming. I have a juicy discount code in case you want to try it. They ship worldwide, and it's hands down a fantastic resin. These have cured, and I've already mixed my colours up too. For the magenta, I added a small scoop of interference in pink. And for the blue, I did the same, only that I used interference blue. As I want more of a gold colour, I'm adding a bit of gold mica, as I feel the jacquard gold is a little too yellow. Yeah, definitely much better. Now we need to pour another thin layer of clear resin onto our coasters. Let it thicken up a little. Okay, these have thickened up considerably, and it's time to start off the colour pouring. I'm just going to add a couple of lines in the middle and then use a heat gun to spread them out. I want to add some gold leaf to the middle. Just can't decide which colour to use. I've decided to go with the gold. I had to do this without gloves because it sticks to everything. With the help of some tweezers, I'm going to add small bits to the centre. I sped this up a lot because it was stressing. Getting it to let go of the tweezers and stain the resin was quite a struggle. Leafing and me, we don't have the best of friendship. I did the same to the other coasters too. Once you're happy, let it cure completely. We're going to prepare a bit more outline honey to fill these molds up, but whilst I'm still mixing the resin, I want to do something else. I have this chrome marker in gold. I want to add some dots to certain areas. Small ones, big ones. This is completely optional. If you make a mistake, just use a Q-tip to wipe it off. Repeat the same process to all three. Big thank you to all my subscribers. You guys are the sweetest and I love you lots. Lastly, we're going to use some gold ink. I'm using Octopus Fluid Arts in gold. Drop a small amount onto a palette and grab an old toothbrush. Dip the toothbrush into the ink and begin to flick the paint where we added the dots. This will break away the harshness of the dots. Add as much as you see fit. Wow, this brings back memories. Do the same to the other two. Resin is ready and I let the inks dry for 5 minutes. Pour the resin to the top and let it cure. Keep watching for the end results. Toodles!